Hello, and welcome to Stay Calm, Eat Well. I'm so glad you're here. This channel was created especially for seniors who want to stay healthy, feel better, and eat well, without spending a lot of money or cooking complicated meals. As we get older, the food we eat becomes more important than ever. Good nutrition can help support our heart, energy, digestion, strength, and overall well-being. But many people think eating healthy means expensive groceries or difficult recipes. That's simply not true. You can eat healthy on a fixed or low income. You can prepare simple meals at home using easy ingredients, and you don't need to be a great cook to do it. On this channel, I'll share easy, affordable meals, simple snacks, and smart food tips made especially for seniors. These recipes are realistic, budget-friendly, and designed for everyday life, especially if you're cooking for one. This is a calm, judgment-free space. We take things one meal at a time. Small changes can make a big difference. Thank you for being here. If this sounds helpful to you, please subscribe. Let's stay calm, eat well, and take care of ourselves together.